If you're serious about using AI to grow your business, then it is essential to value your data. Data gives context to AI so it can help you make faster and smarter decisions and outsource repetitive work accurately. To create a clone to market your business 24/7, you'll need quality training data. Data could be things like PDF of a book you authored, a Google Doc outlining your company mission, vision, values, and goals, blog articles you've written, or a 10-minute transcript of you speaking about the topic you specialize in. The way ChatGPT is currently set up give you 3 layers of data. 1. Account-wide memory. 2. Custom GPT instructions and knowledge. 3. Session-specific knowledge. Here's how I stay organized. 1. Evergreen memory. This is foundation for on-brand content. Store high-level, long-term context like goals and objectives, core services, target audience, brand values, communication style, key projects. 2. Next is custom GPTs. These are specialized tools for specific tasks. You should tailor your GPTs with custom instructions, proprietary frameworks, industry knowledge, writing style guidelines. 3. Session-specific knowledge. While inside a chat, you should upload relevant data for immediate tasks, like analyzing a transcript, rewriting a YouTube video script production, Actino items from meeting notes. This keeps conversations consistent, organize your data right, and AI becomes a trusted partner in your business.